The reason I have that is because I was first born with severe hearing losses back in 1964. My mother had rubella. There's an epidemic of rubella going on at that time. And so, as I like to say, I was in the right place at the wrong time. So I was born with severe hearing losses in both ears. I got hearing aids when I was about 3.5. And I did very well with hearing aids. And I thought nothing would ever change. But then in July 2001, I suddenly lost the remaining hearing in my good ear. So I went from being hearing impaired to being totally deaf in about 4 hours. On the trip home, I had two thoughts. The first thought was cochlear implant. And I'll talk about what a cochlear implant is. The second thought was, I could probably write a pretty good book about this. And that's exactly what I proceeded to do. I came home that evening, sat down, and started writing. Because I knew that I was going to be in for an astounding experience. The experience of having one of my senses transformed by computational power.